Hi guys, and welcome back to part 3. Just to show you some kind of finishing touches for the Turbosmart install video. So first of all, cable tied all of that, and we're literally just going to post that through there. I'll show you what I'm doing. Basically we're going to post it through there. Same with my little Wagyu connectors, and it all goes, I'm trying to do this one-handed, it all goes back into there. Going to make sure they're nice and all good. All goes back into there like that. I'm just going to push that connector over a bit and then go from there. But basically, I'm going to push that in, and I'll show you guys what else I have done. So, second thing I've done, I've sorted out this grommet. I'll just show you. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see what I've done there. So I drilled a hole, and because I was lazy and couldn't be asked to thread the tube through, I basically made a slit, like there where my finger is. Made a slit and literally just rotated it round onto it and then plugged it in. So hopefully no water will get in there. Finally, I've run my tubing round the back of the coolant. It might not be the best place for it. It might get too hot, so I'll keep an eye on that. Basically it runs around there, into there, and underneath the engine cover, which you can see inside there. Obviously that's all cable tied on inside there. Like I said, I've run it nicely through there, down the side, and you can see it kind of disappears off into there, which is, like I said, is the grommet, which I've drilled a hole in. I think it was an 8mm hole, but it might be 6, and then made a slit to do that. And then come through to into here. So like I said, it comes basically through that grommet, which is there, comes inside your car up here somewhere, like about halfway up around here. Once it comes all the way up, I've now wired in into lights. So once you've plugged all that back in, like I was doing before, basically if you power on, get lights, and you're all good. So obviously there's no like error messages or warning lights other than, you know, the fact that I got my door open and stuff. But yeah, there you go, it's all wired in. I'll show you the finishing touch right now in terms of the mount being in the correct position. Ta-da! There you go. So, you know, it's not the best, it's just a little sticky pad. It should stay there though. Basically when you're sitting here, obviously I got my phone there, so for like sat nav and music and stuff. Boost gauge there. Obviously I can change the boost gauge in terms of like twist. Whether it'll stay in there or not is a whole nother issue. But yeah, if that doesn't stick properly, I'll come up with another method. Like, I'm sure I can work it out. I'm sure a lot of you are thinking like, you know, it looks shit. And like I said, I'm going to use just a bit of black electrical tape just to kind of make that black so it kind of disappears. A lot of you are going to think it's kind of crap, and I don't know, it looks like it's just been stuck there, and it does look cheap, especially this bit. However, do I want to spend like 80 to 150 quid on an A-pillar mount which will kind of sit up here? Do I want to spend however much it is and ruin my air vent to get it mounted into here, which does look good, but you do ruin your air vent in the process? Probably not. So there's a lot of kind of going into it. Obviously every mod that I've done with my car, I can take it off and sell my car. That's the plan. I don't want any mods that kind of ruin it. People drill giant holes in their bumpers for airflow and stuff like that, and then all of a sudden they need a new bumper, and it's like, I don't want any of that. Everything I do to my car, I want to be able to strip off, sell my car standard, or sell it with the mods. So that's why hopefully I'm going for the clean, nice look rather than what a lot of people go for, which is, you know, mad, drilled holes everywhere, big gay wing on the back. But yeah, hopefully that kind of clears everything up. So as you can see, it's all nice and clean now. The only hose you can see is there, otherwise it's coming out of that grommet and going in there. So yeah, I think that looks pretty damn good. Anyway, remember guys, like, favorite and subscribe. This is gonna basically be the finale episode of this. If you got questions or anything, or you want a bit more in-depth view of stuff, just let me know. But yeah, I'm here to help, basically. That's what this channel's all about. I'm simply here to help, and that is it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Donk.